And she was moving already, just with the distracting her. Okay. Get a little bit, drop a little bit lower on this side. There we go. I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time, deep breath in and exhale out. Good. And do one more, a little bit lower. Deep breath in and out. Good. Okay. There it was. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. I'm gonna have you. Very good distraction here. There you go.
Oh. Okay.
Take a big breath for me, Lise. Nope. Good. Let's go again. Big breath. One more time. That's good.
How about just let me have your hip right there. Just like that. That a girl. A little bit. I'm gonna have you come over. Good. Breathe out there for me. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna have you come over. Good. Breathe out there for me. Perfect. Now, I'm gonna have you come over. Good. Breathe out there for me. Perfect.
Okay, we're gonna start at the top, Jay. So big breath in and up. Good job again.
Good. Perfect. Okay, what I'm gonna have you do, I want you to take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. I'm gonna go a little bit lower here. Deep breath in and out. Good. Good. Back onto me. Trust fall on me. Squeeze your elbows together. Tighter. And exhale out.
Aw. That felt so good.
Side. There we go. There we go. Area. So I'm gonna have you take a deep breath in and exhale out. Good. One more time. And exhale out. Perfect. There it was. There it was. Also, roll on me. Squeeze your elbows together. There we go. And exhale out. Go down, go down, go down. Good. Already cleared out. And you can relax.
Oh my goodness, that was so. Oh.
Oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
There we go. And how far down did you feel that go?
That was amazing. Down to my butt.
Down.
Just like that. Toe. There you go. Now wiggle your right big toe. That.
Do that again for me. Joints here already moved. Wonderful. Another one this way. Very good.
There you go. Good. There we go. There, together. Oh yeah. You can breathe now. See?
Oh my God.
I told you. Yes, ma'am. Boy, that was good. Smooth as silk. Renee or Greg. Yep. There it is. Oh, there you go. Oh yeah. Crack eggs. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, let me have you. That's it, right there. Oh yeah. Should have felt that a little more significant in person, isn't it?
It is.
There you go. Perfect. There we go. Boy, I know you felt that. I drop them. And no, they're not going to break. I can throw them. There. That's perfect, man. It doesn't get any better than that. Good job. And relájate. Sí, muy bien. See, feel that all the way?
You stretch the spinal.
Vertebra. Okay, nice and easy. Yes, ma'am. See, I did drop this in my hand. You have to show Craig this. There you go. Oh, yeah. All the way down?
Yes.
Yep. I did. I just wanted you to say it for our YouTube fans. Now. There you go. Feel that all the way down, Lance?
Yes, sir.
You know, it's amazing, Lance. Renee still laughs at my jokes.
No,
She's
I
heard
was
them
laughing.
1,000 times. Relax. Oh, yeah, boy. That was... There. Okay, I got you. Oh, yeah. Good job. There we go. When I was in the 6th, 8th... There we go. And developed asthma, which... So bring it to tension. And then just hit it. Yep. There we go. Yes, sir. There. Just breathe. I got you. There you go.
Oh gosh.
That was... There we go. That's it. Inch them, just breathe through your nose. Oh, yeah. Should have felt... Okay. Don't want our YouTube fans getting the wrong idea through your nose. Oh, yeah. Feel that one all... There. Got one more over here.